Ready to ditch that State Farm beacon and reclaim your windshield's pristine view. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need a spray bottle filled with water, a soft microfiber cloth, and a plastic scraper or razor blade. But only use the razor blade if you're comfortable with it. This is key to a successful, scratch-free removal. Locate your State Farm beacon, the small device likely attached to the inside of your windshield. Examine its edges. This is where we'll begin the process. Let's make removal a breeze. Generously spray the beacon's surface with water from your spray bottle. Apply enough that it runs down the glass a little. This soaking softens the adhesive, making it far easier to peel off. Now, with either your fingernail or a plastic scraper, gently begin to peel up an edge of the beacon. Patience is key here. Try to lift a corner, and then carefully work your way along the edges. Pull slowly and steadily. If the beacon resists, reapply some water and try again. It's generally best to use steady pressure, working the edges of the beacon until it's completely detached. So, you got the beacon off. Great job. Now the final task, clean up any lingering adhesive. Spray the area where the beacon was with water, and give it a moment to do work. Next, gently rub the adhesive residue with your microfiber cloth. The moisture should help loosen it, allowing you to wipe it off with ease if any stubborn bits remain. Try carefully using your plastic scraper or plastic razor blade at a very low angle. Finally, give the cleaned area one last wipe down with your microfiber cloth to ensure a streak-free finish, and there you have it, a clear, beacon-free windshield, ready for the road.